Alright guys, this is 2015, some stuff I picked up. I got more stuff, but this is just some stuff I recently picked up. I just want to show you guys. Alright, starting over here, I got a case of Game On by Winda. Comes 3-1. I got a case of M25 Tannerites. They come 8 a piece, 8 in a case. I got 2 Last Man Standing by Big Johnson. Some miscellaneous stuff, firecrackers, 100-shot Saturn missile, 200-gram cake. Then I got, I picked up 1 Hellraiser. If anyone knows what this does, leave a comment. I heard it was really good. I can't really find I can't find a video on it on YouTube. I picked up a case of Excalibur, 6.2 a case. Got a real good price on it. You know, everyone says there's better shells out there. Yeah, there is, but you know, for the price. Then I got a case of these rockets. They're new for this year. Alien Warrior rockets. 6 to a case. There's 12 come in a case. Then I got Angry Panda. 6 comes to a case. You can see how sweet these are, these rockets.